Hello everyone, welcome back to Piece of Physics. In this particular video series, we are going to start our basic maths topic, which is integration. Okay, so first of all, let us have some basic introduction about integration. Okay, so what is integration? Okay, so basically, we know that subtraction is inverse operation of addition, division is inverse operation of multiplication. Similarly, integration is inverse operation of differentiation, right? So consider one function y equals to x cube. So differentiation of y equals to x cube will be y dash. This will be 3x squared. Okay. Now I want these functions back. Okay. So now I have to integrate y dash with dx. Okay. So for getting this function, I have to divide 3x squared by 3 and have to add 1 power plus 1 in the integration process. Okay. So I'll get our old function back. Okay. So basically this is our y. Okay. So this process was differentiation, and here this process was integration. So here you can just see that integration just invert the process of differentiation and we will get our old function back. Okay, so this is how we can have some basic introduction about the integration. So let us have some function y equals to x power n. Okay, so the integration of y, so integrating y with x. Okay, so this is the sign of the integration. Okay, so this kind of big S is our integration. Okay, so what will be here? It will be x power n dx. Okay, so the integration, in integration we just add 1 power here and divide with this function back. So this will be n plus 1 plus c. Okay, what is c? C is our integration constant, and it can be found using initial boundary conditions. Okay, so this is integration. Okay, now let us have one. Now integration is of basically two types. One is indefinite integration and second is definite integration. Okay, in the indefinite integration we will have without limit integration. Yeah, we will not have limit, and basically there will be integration constant, and in definite integration constant it will be with the limits, and here we do not need integration constant, right? So let's start first indefinite integration. So the indefinite integration is basically integration without limits. Okay, so let us have some properties for the indefinite integration. Our first property is integration c f of x dx will be, c will be out of the integration. Okay, what is c? C is our constant. Okay, so the constant will not depend on the x, so you can just bring in constant c out of the integration and you can integrate f of x dx. Okay, and the after the integration we will get some integration constant with it. Okay, our second property is additive property. Okay, so consider one function f of x plus or minus g of x dx. So what will be in the integration? In the integration, you can apply integration to the both the functions. Okay, so you will get f of x dx plus or minus integration g of x dx. Okay, the third type of integration, we will have integration. Here you will get alpha f of x plus or minus beta g of x dx. So you will get, okay, alpha and beta are constants, so you will get basically alpha f of x dx plus or minus beta integration g of x dx. Okay, our first property is integration of function of ax plus b dx will be, okay, so what we will do is we will first integrate whole function f of ax plus b dx, and we will divide it with the differentiation of this ax plus b with the x. Okay, as of now, just you can remember these properties whenever we will apply to our problem, and I'll explain it again how to differentiate such function using these properties, right? So now let us have some standard formulas for the integration which we are going to remember for a long time to solve the problems. Okay, so now let us look into the standard formulas. Okay, our first standard formula is integration of x power n dx will be x power n plus 1 divided by plus 1 plus c. Okay, where n should not be equal to minus 1. Our second standard formula is integration a f of x dx will be integration of this will be a will be out of the integration being a constant, it will be f of x dx plus c. Third standard formula is integration a dx. Okay, so a will be out of the integration, it will be integration dx. Okay, so here you can see there is not any function of x, so you can just multiply it with x power 0. So what will be the integration? It will be a into x power 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 plus c. So you will basically get ax plus c, where c is your integration constant. Okay, our fourth standard formula is a into x power n dx. Okay, so this will be a will be out of the integration, and here you will get x power n dx. Okay, now the integration of x power n dx is basically a, it will be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, our fifth standard formula is integration x power minus 1 dx. Okay, what if there is n equals to minus 1 kind of integration? Okay, you can write it as dx by x. Okay, so the integration of this function will be log on the base of e of x plus c. Okay, also log on the base of e is your natural log, so this will be natural log of x plus c. Our sixth standard formula is integration e power x dx will be e power x plus c. Okay, our seventh kind of standard formula is integration e power f of x dx will be equals to e power f of x divided by df by dx plus c. Okay, our eighth kind of standard formula is integration sine of x dx will be minus cos x plus c. Always remember the integration of sine will be negative and differentiation of cos will be negative. Okay, our ninth kind of integration formula is integration of sine of f of x dx will be minus cos of f of x divided by df by dx plus c. The 10th kind of standard formula is integration cos x dx is sin x plus c. Our 11th kind of standard formula is integration of cos of f of x dx will be equals to sin of f of x divided by df by dx plus c. Okay, now our 12th standard formula is, okay, as we know that differentiation of 10x is sec square x. Okay, so the integration of sec square x will be 10x plus c, right? So for 13th standard formula is integration of cos x square dx will be minus cot x plus c. 14th standard formula is integration of ax plus b power n dx will be ax plus b. Okay, now we will add one power here, n plus 1, and we will divide it with the n plus 1, and the in the denominator we will differentiate ax plus b, so you will get just only a here and plus integration constant c, right? For 16th kind of integration formula is 15th kind of standard formula is integration of dx divided by f of x is log on the base of e f of x divided by df by dx plus c. Okay, so these are our 15th. So these are our 15 standard formulas which you need to remember to solve integration problems, and using these problems you can basically solve so many physics problems. So that's all for the basic introduction for the integration and indefinite integration and our standard formulas which we need to remember. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Stay connected to the channel for further videos.